Oh my God, what is this? Uy! Ikaw ba yan si Nicole? Di ba natatandaan kasi mo ako dati na high school?
Who are you?
Sino ako wala natandaan? Ako si Ali.
Class of people here.
Nakawig lang ako, no?
So, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Nagsusuot ako ng bago dress sa formal party. At hindi ka attend? Lahat na sa batch natin pupunta sa party ngayon.
So, bakit ako
Ganyan
in-invite?
ako yung tsura mo. May wish na kaya kita. Sabi ko, punta ka sa formal party nun.
By the way, ito nga pala yung kaibigan ko.
Bakit tayo nakaganyan? Pwede ba? Ilang taon na yan?
Actually, ka-age ko lang siya. Basta ka doon siyang dwarf person.
Alam, kilala na sa party. Nagsusuot lang ako, mag-fit lang ako ng damit.
Naghahanap kasi ako ng accessories eh.
Okay. Think ka lang sa story dyan. Walang pambabae dyan.
Ikaw nga madaldal. Shut up.
Siyempre, I'm biased. How much? Thank you. Awesome, Mom. Okay. I don't want this.
Ang daming damit. Di ako nakapili.
Ay, sabay. Ay, sabay. Si Ay, at ako, at si Hana, at saka si Nicole.
It's very shiny.
What's that?
Shut up.
Shut up your...
Ask first. Who's that little girl? Why she is like a talkative?
Actually, she's my friend. She's just very madaldal and she has dwarfism.
Oh my God, she's so cool. She's so, you know, sad.
Nice and well. See?
No. What's she saying? She looks like a baby, like a 3 years old. So party. So mine.
No, let's go. Let's go to the party. We'll go to the lake.
No.
Dun, dun, dun.